everyone, this is Mamta Mode, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Today we will solve self-practice exercise question 2C, questions 1 to 5 of second chapter fractions and decimal of class 7th of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise question 2C, questions 1 to 5 of chapter fractions and decimals, and topic is multiplying fractions. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1 is simplified. And first bit is 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 12 divided by 17. When we multiply two fraction, that is multiplying two fraction equal to multiplying the numerator divided by multiplying the denominator. Here first fraction is 3 divided by 4 and second fraction is 12 divided by 17. 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 12 divided by 17 equal to multiplying the numerator. Numerator is 3, first fraction 3 and second fraction 12. 3 multiplied with 12 and denominator is 4. First fraction denominator is 4 and second fraction denominator is 17. Multiplying the denominator, that is 4 multiplied by 17. And numerator, product of numerator is 3 multiplied by 12 is 36. And 3 multiplied by 12 divided by 4 multiplied with 17. And we cancel 4 with 3. 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. Now 3 multiplied with 3 is in numerator and 17 in denominator. So we get 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 and 9 divided by 17. So we get 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 12 divided by 17 is 9 divided by 17. Now we'll solve second bit B. 7 divided by 9 multiplied with 18 divided by 19. Multiplying two fraction, first fraction 7 divided by 9 with second fraction 18 divided by 19. Multiplying two fraction equal to multiplying the numerator divided by multiplying the denominator. Here numerator first fraction is 7 and numerator in second fraction is 18. 7 multiplied with 18 and denominator first fraction denominator is 9 and second fraction denominator is 19. So multiplying the denominator is 9 multiplied with 19. So we get 7 multiplied with 18 divided by 9 multiplied with 19. Here we cancel 9 with 18. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. And 7 multiplied by 2 divided by 19. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 divided by 19. So we get 7 divided by 9 multiplied with 18 divided by 19 is 14 divided by 19. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is multiply and write each in simplest form. First bit is 9 divided by 16 by 8 divided by 15, 10 divided by 27, 1, 7 divided by 9 and 3, 5 divided by 9. First we multiply 9 divided by 16 with 8 divided by 15. So product of numerator is 9 multiplied with 8 and product of denominator is 16 multiplied with 15. Now we cancel 9 and 15 with 3. 3 multiplied with 3 is 9 and 3 multiplied with 5 is 15. Cancel 9 and 15 with 3. and cancel 8 with 16, that is 8 multiplied with 2 is 16. So we get 3 in numerator and denominator is 2 multiplied with 5. So we get 3 divided by 2 multiplied with 5 equal to 3 divided by 10. So 9 divided by 16 multiplied with 8 divided by 15 equal to 3 divided by 10. Now we multiply 9 divided by 16 by 10 divided by 27. 9 divided by 16 multiplied with 10 divided by 27 is product of numerator is 9 multiplied with 10 and product of denominator is 16 multiplied with 17. Now we cancel 9 with 27, that is 9 multiplied with 3 is 27, and now cancel 10 and 16. 10 with 5, 10 with 2, 2 multiplied with 5 is 10, and cancel 16 with 2, that is 2 multiplied with 8 is 16. Cancel both 10 and 16 with 2. 2 multiplied with 5 is 10 and 2 multiplied with 8 is 16. So we get in numerator 5 and in denominator 8 multiplied with 3. So 5 divided by 8 multiplied with 3 is 5 divided by 24. So we get 9 divided by 16 multiplied with 10 divided by 27 is 5 divided by 24. Now multiply 9 divided by 16 by 1 7 divided by 9, and 1 7 divided by 9 is a mixed fraction. You can check the mixed fraction, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. I will send the link in the description box and you can check the how to convert mixed fraction. Check that video, how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 9 divided by 16 multiplied with 1 7 divided by 9. Converting 1 7 divided by 9 into improper fraction, multiplying the denominator 9 with whole 9 multiplied with 1 plus numerator plus 7. So 9 multiplied with 1 plus 7 is in numerator and 9 is in denominator. 9 multiplied with 9, 9 multiplied with 1 plus 7 is 16, 16 divided by 9. So we get 9 divided by 16 multiplied with 16 divided by 9. Now product of multiplying two fraction 9 divided by 16 and 16 divided by 9 is product of numerator 9 multiplied with 16 and product of denominator is 16 multiplied with 9, and cancel 9 with 9 and cancelling 16 16. So we get 1. So we get 9 divided by 16 by 1 7 divided by 9 equal to 1. Now we multiply 9 divided by 16 by 3 5 divided by 9, and this 3 5 divided by 9 is a mixed fraction. So we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So multiplying the denominator with whole 9 multiplied with 3 plus numerator 5 plus 5 and divided by denominator, that is 9. So we get 9 divided by 16 multiplied with 9 multiplied with 3 is 27, 27 plus 5 is 32, 32 divided by 9. So we get 9 divided by 16 multiplied with 32 divided by 9, and multiplying two fraction equal to product of numerator is 9 multiplied with 32 and product of denominator is 16 multiplied with 9. We cancel 9 numerator and denominator 9, and cancelling 16 with 32. 16 multiplied with 2 is 32. So we get 2 in numerator and denominator is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So we get 9 divided by 16 by 5. 5 divided by 9 equal to 2. Now we solve question number 3, and question number 3 is simplify the following. First bit is 2. 3 divided by 8 multiply with 5. 1 divided by 3. Multiplying two fraction equal to product of numerator divided by product of denominator. First we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 3 divided by 8 is mixed fraction. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Multiplying the denominator 8 with whole. 8 multiply with 2 plus numerator is 3. 8 multiply with 2 plus 3 divided by denominator is 8. So 8 multiply with 2 plus 3 is 19. 19 divided by 8. Now convert 5. 1 divided by 3, this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Multiplying the denominator 5 with 5 whole 5 plus numerator 1 divided by denominator is 5. So 5 multiply with 5 plus 1 is 26. 26 divided by 5. So multiplying two fraction equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So 19 multiplied with 16 divided by 2 divided by 8 multiplied with 5. We can cancel 8 with 2. 2 multiplied with 4 is 8. And cancel 26 with 2. 2 multiplied with 13 is 26. So we get 19 multiplied with 13 in numerator and 5 multiplied with 4 is in denominator. So 19 multiplied with 13 divided by 5 multiplied with 4. We get 247 divided by 20, that is 12. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, that is dividing the 247 by 20 and 12 is the quotient, remainder divided by division. I will send the link how to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction in the description box, and you can go to the description box and watch that video how to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Now we get 247 divided by 20 equal to 12. 7 divided by 20, and 12 is the quotient, 7 is the remainder, and 20 is the divisor. Now we multiply second bit b. 2 divided by 9 multiply with 3 divided by 5. 2 divided by 9 multiply with 3 divided by 5. First we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So multiply denominator 9 with whole. 9 multiply with 2 plus numerator 2. Numerator is 2 divided by denominator is 9. So 9 multiplied with 2 plus 2 is 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 divided by 9. Multiply with 3 divided by 5. So multiplying two fractions, 20 divided by 9 multiply with 3 divided by 5 equal to product of numerator divided by product of denominator. Product of numerator is 20 multiply with 3 and product of denominator is 9 multiply with 5. Now cancel 5 with 20, 5 multiply with 4 is 20 and 3 cancel this 3, numerator 3 with 9. 3 multiply with 3 is 9. So we get 4 in numerator and 3 in denominator. 4 divided by 3. So we get 2. 2 divided by 9 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 equal to 4 divided by 3. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is simplify the following. First bit is 2 multiplied with 4 divided by 5 multiplied with 1, 2 divided by 3. First we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 1, 2 divided by 3 equal to multiply denominator with whole 3 multiply with 1 plus numerator. Numerator is 2. 3 multiply with 1 plus 2 is 5. 5 divided by denominator is 3. 5 divided by 3. So multiply 2 multiply with 4 divided by 5 multiply with 5 divided by 3. Now product multiplying these fractions equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominator. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So 2 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 5 in numerator and 5 multiplied with 3 in denominator. 2 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 5 divided by 5 multiplied with 3. We cancel 5 and 5 and 2 multiplied with 4 is 8. 8 divided by 3. 8 is numerator and 3 in denominator. Now we convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Just divide this denominator divisor with dividend. 3 is denominator, that is divisor, and 8 is numerator, that is dividend. 3 multiplied with 2 plus 2, that is 3 multiplied with 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we get 2 is quotient and 2 is remainder and 3 is denominator, divisor. When we convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction, just divide the divisor with dividend and we get quotient remainder divided by divisor. 2 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder and 3 is the divisor. So we get 2 multiplied with 4 divided by 5 multiply with 1, 2 divided by 3 equal to 2, 2 divided by 3. Now we simplify second bit B. 2, 5 divided by 6 multiply with 18 divided by 85 multiplied with 3, 8 divided by 9. First we convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2, 5 divided by 6, this mixed fraction convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Multiply the denominator with whole 6 multiply with 2 plus numerator 5 divided by denominator, that is 6. 6 multiply with 2 plus 5 is 6 multiply with 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 divided by 6 multiplied with 18 divided by 85 multiplied with 3, 8 divided by 9. Convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Multiply denominator with whole 9 multiply with 3 plus numerator 8 divided by denominator 9. 9 multiplied with 3 is 27. 27 plus 8 is 35. 35 divided by 9. Product of, now multiplying these fraction equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So product of numerators are 17 multiplied with 18 multiplied with 35 divided by 6 multiplied with 85 multiplied with 9. Now we cancel this 17 with 85, that is 17 multiplied with 5 is 85, and cancel 9 with 18. 9 multiplied with 2 is 18, and cancel 6. No. Now we get 2 multiplied with 35 in numerator and 6 multiplied with 5 in denominator. Now we cancel this 5 with 35, that is 5 multiplied with 7 is 35. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So we get 2 multiplied with 7 in, and cancel these 2 with 6. 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. So we get 7 in numerator and 3 in denominator. So we get 7 divided by 3. We can convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, that is divisor 3 with dividend 7. We get 3 multiplied with 2 plus 1, 2 in quotient and 1 in remainder. So we get 7 divided by 3 equal to 2, 1 divided by 3. 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder and 3 is the divisor. I will send the link of that video of how to convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction and how to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction in my description box, and you can go to the description box and you can watch that video, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fractions and how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we solve this word problem. Question number 5. Ravi used 2 divided by 5 bags of soil for his garden. He is digging another garden that will need 1 divided by 5 as much soil as the original. How much soil will he use in total? Ravi will use soil in total for his garden is 2 divided by 5 multiplied with 1 divided by 5. Sorry. Then we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 2 divided by 5 equal to multiply 5 denominator 5 with whole, 5 multiplied with whole, 5 multiplied by 1 is whole, and 2 is the numerator plus 2 divided by denominator 5. Denominator multiplied with whole plus numerator divided by denominator. That is the converting mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we get 2 divided by 5 equal to 5 multiplied with 1 plus 2 divided by 5. That is 5 multiplied with 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 divided by 5. Multiplied with 1 divided by 5. Now multiplying fractions equal to product of numerator 7 multiplied with 1, that is 7, and product of denominators 5 multiplied with 5 is 25. That is 7 divided by 25 bags of soil he will need for his garden. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube